Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. If you're anything like me, you've been waiting for Google to wake up to AI and spreadsheets, but they're still working on bugs. Namely, if you ask, and this is a fixed value. Here's the formula NC1, and here I used a value that was generated, right? A random name, and let's go ahead and copy this, and I'll paste that in here. But you can see that it didn't pick up the formula, so you have to generate and insert again. See, I took that same value, and let's see if it NC3, that's correct. So it can't pick up, it doesn't appear to be able to pick up its own randomness, but here this is random, or rather this is generated. This is generated, but it doesn't seem to be able to pick up the new content. Oh, wow. All right, so let's let's introduce Alice into the mix, and you see that it's not auto-generative, so you have to click on it again. All right, so Alice. Now I'm curious, is this going to complain that it can't? It picked up that one. All right, and how about this one? We'll refresh and get a new name, hopefully. And you'll see actually that it doesn't actually generate a new name. And you see that all of these random names are not random at all. They're James Smith over and over. And refresh and restart. No, it doesn't like that. So let's go ahead and paste that in there again. Write a thank you email to the person about the party C3, and let's get rid of all these other errors, which there are plenty of, and still no joy. Oh, okay, now it worked. Let's see if it can generate a new name. It's really uneven. Write a random name that has not been used before on this sheet. Let's see if it has any kind of stateful awareness. Stateful awareness checking. All right, there it is. Not used on the sheet before, and regenerate or generate. Okay, so that worked. So let's see if I can drag this down, refresh and restart. Okay, so I got I got duplicates again, and total fail and others. So let's continue with this moving bug report. And okay. Yeah, all right, so this is Google's attempt at AI in Google Sheets. I'd say it's untrustworthy, to say the least. Thanks for watching, and happy computing.